what I'm going to do is essentially this bracket adjusts the height of this wheel. So if you watched the previous video, a couple videos ago, I did a test run on this brush hog, and it kind of digs in the one back corner, and I need to raise this up. But this bolt is pretty well rusted for the millennia. So I'll just bring my angle grinder, cut this off, and go to the hardware store and grab a new bolt for it. No big deal. But in the meantime, it'll work. I just wanted it to run a little better, but it'll still get the job done. Of course, the camera never really does anything that comes to cutting the grass or anything. It doesn't do it any justice. I'll show you here. This is the grass on the build site. I need to mow it, but it's about almost waist high, which is crazy. It's crazy how quick Mother Nature just takes over. So I need to come out here and cut. I was gonna try maybe with the brush hog, but I was like, you know what? I'll just wait until I can get my lawn tractor back out here. I'm got it at my father-in-law's shop garage right now. We got to change the oil, do the blades and all that. So I think I'm gonna call it a night. It's now just starting to rain. It looks like might even a thunderstorm might come in. But I was really pleased. It like I said, the grass was almost waist tall. And of course the camera makes it not look that way, but it did a really nice job. Only one time there was a stump that I hit towards the end. I didn't see it and it shut me down. But besides that, it drudged right through it all, and I was really pleased. So I'll get back out here in a couple days and we'll keep on clearing these trails. And we do appreciate you guys watching the videos, and we just ask that you give it a like and subscribe, and we just hope you have a blessed day.